Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to use Adobe XD step by step. Open Adobe XD and create a new artboard to start your design, then set an appropriate grid and canvas size. Focus on creating simple shapes, add text layers, and import images for visual context. Save components early to reuse elements and establish consistent styles. Preview your work using the desktop and mobile preview features to check layout flow. Open the Assets panel and organize colors, character styles, and components for faster work across screens. Use Repeat Grid for lists and images, and convert repeated elements into components to update everything at once. Leverage masking for clean image shapes and auto-animate to create natural motion between states. Regularly check alignment and spacing with smart guides so your layouts feel balanced and professional to users. Switch to prototype mode and connect artboards with interactions that match expected user behavior. Test both tap and drag triggers, add overlays for modals, and set easing to mimic native motion. Preview on device to confirm touch targets and readability at actual sizes. When ready, generate a shareable prototype link to gather feedback from stakeholders and developers, and export assets with proper naming for a smooth handoff.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.